In this video, let's explore the differences between Git Rebase and Git Merge. Understanding when to use each strategy is crucial for effective branch management in your projects. We will cover the basic concepts, visualizations, commands, and best practices to help you make informed decisions. Let's begin by understanding the basic concepts of Git Merge and Git Rebase. Git Merge combines changes from one branch into another, creating a new merge commit in the target branch. This preserves the complete history and chronological order of changes and is a non-destructive operation, meaning it doesn't alter existing branches. Git Rebase, on the other hand, moves or combines a sequence of commits to a new base commit. This rewrites the commit history by creating new commits, resulting in a linear project history. Rebase can simplify history, but it modifies existing commits. This diagram helps visualize how Git Merge works. Assume we have two branches, master and feature. The master branch has commits C1, C2, C3, and C4. The feature branch, which branched off from C2, has commits C5 and C6. When we merge the feature branch into the master branch, a new commit C7 is created. This merge commit combines the changes from both branches, preserving the history of both the master and feature branches. This diagram illustrates how Git Rebase operates. Before Rebase, similar to the previous example, we have a master branch with commit C1 through C4, and a feature branch with commit C5 and C6. After Rebase, the feature branch commits C5 and C6 are effectively moved to the tip of the master branch, creating new commit C5' and C6'. The original C5 and C6 commits are no longer part of the feature branch history. This results in a linear history, as if the feature branch was created directly off the latest master. Here are the basic commands for Git Merge and Git Rebase. For Git Merge, first, switch to the target branch, which is the branch receiving the changes, using Git Checkout Master. Then, merge the feature branch into the current branch with Git Merge feature. To create a merge commit with a message, use Git Merge NoFF feature. The NoFF flag ensures a merge commit is created even if a fast forward is possible. For Git Rebase, start by switching to the branch to be rebased using Git Checkout feature. Then, rebase the feature branch onto master with Git Rebase Master. For more control, you can use Interactive Rebase with Git Rebase iMaster. Interactive Rebase allows you to modify, squash, or drop commits during the rebase process. Git Merge is best suited for specific scenarios. It preserves the complete history and chronological order of changes, and is a non-destructive operation, making it safer to use. Merge also maintains the context of branch existence, and is easier to understand and track branch history. It is particularly useful for long-running feature branches. It can be used when integrating completed features into the main branch, when working with branches shared with other developers, when branch history needs to be preserved, when you want to clearly identify where branches were merged, and for public or shared branches that others depend on. Git Rebase has its own set of advantages and use cases. It creates a cleaner, linear project history and eliminates unnecessary merge commits, making it easier to find bugs with the use of Git Bisect. Rebase allows for cleaner feature integration and helps maintain a cleaner repository history. However, it's best to use Rebase when updating feature branches with the latest main branch changes, cleaning up local commits before sharing, on private or local branches not shared with others, when you want to maintain a linear history, and for small, short-lived feature branches. Warning: never rebase commits that have been pushed to public repositories, as others may have based their work on those commits. Let's explore common workflows using Git Merge and Git Rebase. In a feature branch workflow with Merge, you start by creating a feature branch using Git Checkout B feature. You then make changes and commit them with Git Add, followed by Git Commit M, Add feature. Finally, you switch to the main branch and merge the feature branch using Git Checkout Main and Git Merge feature. This approach preserves the complete history of the feature branch, including all individual commits and the merge point. It's ideal for significant features that need to maintain their development context. In a feature branch workflow with Rebase, the initial steps are the same. Create a feature branch, make changes, and commit them. However, before merging, you update your feature branch with the latest main branch changes using Git Rebase main. Then, you switch to the main branch and perform a fast-forward merge with Git Checkout main and Git Merge feature. This creates a linear history by replaying feature commits on top of the latest main branch, resulting in a cleaner history without merge commits. This is best for smaller features or bug fixes. To wrap up, let's review some best practices and a summary of Git Merge and Git Rebase. Establish team conventions to agree on when to use Merge versus Rebase in your team's workflow. Never rebase public branches. Only rebase branches that exist solely in your local repository. Write clear commit messages, especially when using Rebase, to maintain history clarity. Always review changes before merging using Git Diff to verify changes before finalizing merge or rebase. Test after integration to catch integration issues after a merge or rebase. Consider hybrid approaches, such as rebasing to clean up local work, and then merging to integrate with the main branch. In summary, both Merge and Rebase are powerful tools with different use cases. Choose Merge for preserving history and safer public branch integration. Choose Rebase for a cleaner history and private feature development. By understanding these differences and best practices, you can effectively manage your branches and maintain a clean and organized Git repository. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.